Hi guys, good day. Pag-usapan lang natin today itong naging profits natin in one day na almost 140k. Binigyan ko to nung update nung mga nakaraang araw. 11 days ago, yung idea sa DCA on Monday, sell on payday guys. So pag-uusapan lang natin yan dito sa video natin today. Pero bago tayo dito magsimula, hindi nyo pa na like itong video natin, please like this video first. Kain tayo guys. So, meron tayo ditong mga ginawang trades, no? Yung idea kasi guys ng DCA on Monday and sell on payday is that yung patience, no? Yung patience mo na hindi mo kailangan tumingin palagi sa chart. You can just like wait, no? And if you observe, ilang days din tayo nagantay dun sa mga setups natin. We have some trading bots. And for me siguro sobrang laki din ng factors ng experience, no? Kasi if you have experience, ito talaga yung magko-convince sa'yo na i-follow mo yung setup. Ipapa-realize sa'yo na okay, this day is a waiting day. Hindi mo kailangan tumingin sa charts. And kailangan mo lang mag-antay guys, no? So yun yung isa sa malaking factors din pag meron kang experience, no? Next one, risk management, napaka-importante din. Again guys, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, no? For reference. It does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some insights dito. And kung meron kayo mga questions, punta lang kayo sa ating YouTube channel. Yun yung ating pinaka-medium of communication sa ating mga followers, sa inyo guys, sa community, kung ano yung feedback, questions ninyo dito. So, yun. Yun yung mga na-mention natin, risk management, experience, yung discipline guys, sobrang malaking factors din for me guys, no? Kasi if you have discipline, you have this approach na you are willing to wait. If you have disciplined, or if disiplinado ka, you have this approach na mako-contain mo yung emotion mo guys, no? Hindi ka na-FOMO. You have this idea kung ano nga ba yung status ng market, and you are willing to wait guys, no? So yun, when I started guys, puro loss din ako, and I take note those losses na lang for improvement and for my self-development and for self-growth guys, no? So yun, pwede nyo bisitahin yung YouTube channel natin. Offline yung mga trades natin, pero maybe soon if okay na yung internet natin, we'll do some live. Right now, kung meron kayo mga questions, feel free to comment lang. And that's it guys, no? Happy weekend. Have a great day. Peace out. Bye for now guys.